Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Today, let's talk about vanilla. Vanilla has many benefits. I think the most popular one we know is giving the special flavor in our food. Cake, cookie, many different desserts are using the vanilla ice creams, right? So who doesn't like a vanilla ice cream? Vanilla not only give us the special smell, it's also wonderful to help us to calm, relax, and perfect for our digestion system, to help our digestive system to work efficiently. And also research found vanilla has many benefits on our skin and reduce the skin problems, including antimicrobial, cleansing, anti-inflammation, and even research found that vanilla has anti-cancer benefits. The reason for the vanilla has so many benefits is because it's a special chemical called vanillin. Vanillin has many pharmaceutical benefits. Not only brings the smell, but also wonderful antimicrobial, anti-inflammation. It has been used in many fields, including the skincare. So today, I'm going to show you how to make the vanilla extract and doing two different ways for the extraction. And I'm going to use ADI for today's extraction. Just by doing one batch, I can make two different vanilla extract at the same time. I'm going to make two different vanilla extract. One is infused oil, second is the glycerite. So I'm using the jojoba oil. Jojoba oil has many benefits. The biggest one is its composition is over 90% similar with the sebum our skin produce. So this makes the jojoba oil is perfect to go with our skin. The skin won't think it's aliens. So this helps the skin to absorb the vanilla extract. And the glycerin is a wonderful moisturizer. So when you make the glycerite with the vanilla, so it will bring you the both benefits of moisturizing and also the benefits of antimicrobial, cleansing, and anti-inflammation benefits from the vanilla. So by using a different extract, for example, the vanilla-infused oil, you can use as a massage oil, you can use for your lotion making, the soap making. So it brings you not only the oil, but also the benefits of the vanilla. And the glycerin is a wonderful additive in many different skincare products, from the lotion, the cream, the soap, the liquid soap. It's the same. So it brings you the benefits of the glycerin as well as same time of the vanilla. Also the vanilla, the scent. So the scent of the vanilla also give you a lot of, when we smell this, we'll feel calm, relaxed. That's the benefits of the vanilla. I'm doing a small batch, just using a 3-ounce mason jar. For making a 3-ounce, we need a 2 pieces of vanilla. This vanilla is from Madagascar and is organic. You always want to use organic because this is, this is a seed pod. It grows on the tree after it dry up and they collect it. So you don't want to carry anything on the surface like a pesticide into your skincare product. This vanilla is really good. It's very strong scent, and you can also see, I can see the oil on the surface. However, the seed within the pod, that's where most of the active compound, the vanillin, that's where the active compound is. So you can see there are a lot of the tiny seeds, millions of them. Those are the good stuff, where the good stuff is sitting in. So put in the jar. Don't waste the shell. Cut into an inch long, the small pieces. Make a smaller piece so they can sit at the bottom. So for this bottle, I'm gonna use a glycerin. The same, use organic glycerin. The benefit of when we are making our own skincare or the hair care product, we can use the best quality ingredient. This is not like a common for those commercial products. So even you use the best, the organic, it wouldn't be that expensive, because we don't use a lot. So, but we take a lot of benefits from these high quality ingredients. This one is the oil. Oh, very strong. I like this vanilla. It's like a sweet. It has a sweet smell with a very strong vanilla smell. So this one, if you use it to make a soap, I guess the soap will be wonderful. Perfect. Now try the glycerite. Yes, also very strong. And you can see it was a clear, the glycerin, and it also carry a little bit of yellow color. They both are super good. Hey, if you like the video, try your vanilla extract at home and feel it and let me know how it works for you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe channel, become the member. This is Dr. Leo. See you next time.